Here's how you can check the any virus on your Android phone using Google Protect Scan. So open Play Store and at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that, and once you click on that, scroll down, you will find Play Protect. Now it says no harmful apps found, and before doing the scan at the top right corner you have this settings icon. Make sure this is toggle on and then click on scan. Now it will scan the whole Android phone and it will let you know if there is any malicious app or any sort of unknown app is there which should not be there in your computer. So this is how you can scan through Play Protect. If you find this tutorial guide helpful, please hit the like and subscribe and do share this tutorial with your loved ones. Have a wonderful day.